Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook a teriyaki salmon with roasted pistachios, and also we're going to make a whole wheat pasta and vegetable salad. And for our ingredients, we have salmon, a sliced ginger, a sliced garlic, lemon juice, honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a roasted pistachios. Now we are going to mix all together our ingredients for marinade. Soy sauce, lemon juice, rice vinegar, honey, cooking oil, garlic, ginger. Mix well. This time we are going to soak in the salmon in the marinade. Pour in the remaining marinade on top of the salmon. Cover and leave them in the fridge overnight. Using a frying pan, add in the cooking oil. When it's warm enough, fry the marinated salmon, skin down first. Fry for 2 minutes. Add in the marinade sauce on top. Then slowly flip on the other side to fry. And if you need more cooking oil, just add in a little bit. If you have more marinade sauce, just add in on top. And it's up to you. If you want your salmon really dark brown, it's fine. For me, I like my salmon like this. It's not overcooked. And by this time, our salmon is ready to go. Now I'm going to make my whole wheat pasta vegetable salad. And for my ingredients, I have my boiled whole wheat pasta. Just use the half portion of this. Lettuce. Make sure to wash properly your vegetables before you cut or slice them. A sliced cucumber, a diced bell pepper, and a shredded carrots. Mix well. And this time our pasta vegetable salad is ready, and I have a homemade dressing which is made of olive oil and vinegar. And for the complete ingredients, please check the description below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you will always get notified of my latest videos. Thanks for watching!